My name is Susan Morris. I am here as a Master's of Organizational Leadership degree candidate from Colorado Christian University. My research proposal is on collaboration. Is it a luxury or a necessity? I was reminded of the richness of my creator's collaborative design while enjoying my son's band concert performance. In my observation, without the leader, the director in this case, the group would not have produced the harmonies or melodies without the collaboration. It seems simplistic as I consider the problem of complex socio-technical systems and research application to multi-team systems that we see in organizational development. The statement is found in the failing to link social and technical systems, which disrupts the cycle of innovation. My thesis statement promotes the foundation of collaboration based on the competency of organizational culture and individual members. This alignment will allow organizations to achieve the benefits of collaboration through socio-technical system tool application. My research methodology in studying the dimensions of collaboration is multi-method, integrating a metadata analysis and experimental survey questionnaire to inform the EDIC, and my own subjective observations inform the EMIC, with the narrative serving as the reporting protocol. My literature review discovered several constructs of collaboration across many subject areas. Thomas and Kilman tell us that a collaborating style shows above average assertiveness and cooperation, and these individuals hold the belief that working together can come up with the answers that either can produce individually. Aldridge found that while one aspires to close the epistemic gap, faith requires that we increase the epistemic gap, and Senge contributes by looking at this relative space as an opportunity for innovation and actionable knowledge. And finally, Weisbord cites Tristan Emery's future search principles as a collaborative model of organizational change by getting the whole system into the room, which develops a richer picture than previously available. Through my deductive analysis, I was able to define terms, determine measures, find supportive data, develop survey questionnaire, and design a model for actionable knowledge. The inductive analysis came from observations of the inner workings of a community college, which serve as the research target audience. I have identified barriers in the organizational that have stifled creative and collaborative efforts. There is evidence that this is both a result of individual competency and organizational culture. These challenges exist at both senior leadership and grassroots levels. Analysis, I've developed two models to support my research proposal. The first model focuses on individual characteristics that my research validates as being fundamental to individual success and contributing to promotive interaction in a collaborative environment. I propose the competency and social skills, individual accountability, personal responsibility, and positive interdependence are three areas that will contribute to the development of promotive interaction. The second model has a focus on the dimensions of the collaborative culture. Group members that possess the characteristics to collaborate can flourish in this culture that supports their efforts. I propose that at the intersection of 5 collaborative dimensions of inspired conversation, actionable knowledge, commitment, promotive interaction, knowledge sharing, and having a shared superordinate goal is where collaboration can flourish. Application of my research will add construct validity, give voice to improvement goals, and a model to bridge the science and practice gap. Initial risks deal with obtaining an ideal sample and limitations on diverse methodologies. The benefits initially identified are specifically for the target audience and future pursuits of mutually beneficial collaborative opportunities. Research field of collaboration is headed in the direction to validate ways in which organizations can gain a competitive advantage that produce innovation. In a comparative analysis of secular and Christian worldviews, Weisbord identifies collaboration should be an expected outcome once we're willing to accept the perceptions of others and share our resources. And God's triune nature provides a biblical perspective that supports co-creating a cycle of innovation as a transformational journey of joint discovery. My limited initial observations show that the cost of laying aside functioning independently organizations with mechanisms to support interdependence can better collaborate. They can experience the competitive advantage of having people aligned with values that help members help themselves, help their work group, and help their company to perform better. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this has sparked your interest.